Ki khubor ka Cbse TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagmenta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but she's pa percent ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi naga Mynta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi yasno but ka ICA
ka Central Board of Secondary Education kalapan banaya ki result nin kasngi ka khatlai tere gujamang arjar arpusan haga Haduh khandai pulai 0.3% ki khna pule ki batho ya gane ka examen class 10 but prapopra 0.5% na banta ki to ki batho ya ka examen class 12 kila pass kumba long house Snem baladap ru ki kentei gidang kamwan shakhmat kata Haduh kumba khandai percent kambon ki khna pule na ka thain bashathi jongkari la ong ru bagi dan Haduh sauhui lak ngut ki khna ki balaya khun ya kane ka exam jong ka Cbse kat kum ga report khandai phuwei 0.3% ki kentei ki la pass kat bagi shenrang pat ki don prapusan 0.0% kata ha ka class 12 ka jinge pher ka long san point khandai percent na ka benta ka class 10 ki kentei ki bapas ki long khandai percent kat bagi shenrang ki long khandai pu r.0% ka bapaw bagi tam ki kentei da r.9% hanong ba shalong ilayo ban yakran bat kat to gat ne gino hikai jong ka BSF Higher Secondary School umpling kumjo ro ki khna pule bat ka principal jong ka BK Bajoria School Shillong.
Sir, all our students have made it. They've all passed. Counting the best 5 in some cases, all have managed to pass. The best 5 depends us that we give them a subject combination. So 5 subjects, they have to clear any 5 subjects out of the 6 that they've taken. So some of them could not perform well in all the 6 subjects, but then they managed to make it good with the choice of the additional 6 subject. So first of all, I will give credit to my students. They've been very hardworking all through. Then the teachers have been there constantly to support them, help them. As and when required, we took extra classes for the students who were not very strong with their studies. We took remedial classes as and when required. So overall, we've been trying our best to give them whatever we can and to ensure that they all end up with good scores at the end of 12th and 10th. I would say it's doing very well, but I think the general public will tell where we stand. Sir, of course, we will try to retain the name that the school has built up over the last 50 years. We will try to add on new features in terms of academics, whatever new courses of studies are available through the board for our students. We will try to incorporate them so that we can give the latest and the best to our students in the coming years. So the message is I'm so thankful to all of them and I'm so proud of all of them because I know they've done their best and I wish them well. And I'm very grateful to the teachers who have been very strong as a team and always stood by the institution to give the best to the students, and that's how we make it good. And I wish them all well.
So this year I'm teaching class 10. So our result is 100%. I'm teaching science and we have prepared the students, like we have done lots of sample papers, syllabus were completed on time, lot of revisions were done a number of times. And we have whatever the students had faced problem during their preparation, they had come to us, we have guided them, that's all. And they also have done lot of self-studies with the help of all the teachers, their parents, support of the parents, and this is how they have come successful in the exam.
Yeah, students, they have done very well this time. We have no failures from our school, and as per the data which is available with me right now, the subject average in English language and literature is 72.9 marks out of 100. In Hindi, it is 70.7 marks. In standard mathematics, we have the average mark of 80.5 with around 20% students scoring above 90 marks. In science, our average mark is 66.3 with many students scoring above 90 and 99 being the highest. In social studies too, we have 10% result with 68.4% being the subject average. So qualitatively, students, they have done very well, and I would like to congratulate each one of them for their sincere effort that they have put on throughout the year. And through the medium of your channel, I would like to urge class 10 students and all other students appearing in different boards to be very sincere from day one itself. The more we sweat in peace, the less we bleed in war, they say in the battlefield. Similarly, for education, for your result, the more you prepare during off days, the better performance comes out when the result is out. So this is all. Thank you, sir.
Of course, we are very proud of our students because they have come out with flying colors in this exam, class 10 board exams. They have really worked hard, and definitely the teachers also have worked hard. If we compare the result of 2 years, this year's performance was better than what we have seen compared to last year. It is definitely for the hard work of our students. They were very sincere right from the very beginning, and we hope that our school will come out with flying colors in the years to come in these board exams. Thank you, and congratulations to all the students, those who have come out with flying colors in their board examination. Thank you.
सबसे पहले मैं पूरे सीमा सुरक्षा बल विद्यालय की तरफ से सभी छात्रों को जिन्होंने बोर्ड परीक्षा में दी है और उनकी सफलता के लिए बधाई देना चाहता हूं। साथ ही साथ अभिभावक को भी मैं बधाई देना चाहता हूं और सभी छात्रों के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं। अगर इस साल परिणाम की बात की जाए तो पिछले वर्ष की तुलना में इस वर्ष का परिणाम अच्छा रहा है और 90% से अधिक अंक प्राप्त करने वाले बच्चों की संख्या भी बढ़ी है। तो मैं उन छात्रों को पुनः एक बार बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ।
I was very surprised to see that I scored really good in science. It's due to the hard work and dedication of our teachers and my parents for motivating me to work harder and all. In science, I scored 99% in my board result, and I'm really happy with the result. I had schedule. I prepared a schedule for the boards specifically. I studied for at least maybe 6 hours every single day for a whole month, and then shifted to many other books and all. But I stick to NCRT most. It was Hindi, but I still managed to score 90. No, it was just my self-study.
By yourself?
Well, they provided all my basic necessities, provided me with good books every day, and every time I wanted to try out new sample books and all, they all provided me for that. And they also wanted me to go to coaching, but I wanted to check my own potential and how much I can score with my self-studying. I've recently started crocheting, and yeah, and I like sketching and all. I've taken the science stream and I'll be studying in the same school. Then I have decided to take a drop and then prepare for a NEET exam and go on the journey for the medical line. I just hope that they work hard and not to doubt themselves, because they can still do it on their own self-potential and all.